do that. That's topic of the okay, and do that. Make sure you put in the case that says that you don't have.
Are you German, Mesa Salinas? Do you speak English?
English? No.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
No, I'm a rabbit.
Right from the start, the judge asks about immigration status. This isn't just chit-chat. It's important in criminal cases because a conviction can lead to deportation. If you're not a U.S. citizen, here's a heads up. Pleading guilty could get you kicked out of the country.
How long have you been residing in the United States?
Sí. But I don't remember very well, about 12 years.
And you don't speak English?
No hablas inglés?
No.
No. He said I mainly work.
So do I, but I speak English and Spanish and some other, but I mean, what's your status towards citizenship? Are you trying to gain citizenship?
Primero quiero estudiar, pero ya que tengo más tiempo.
He said I would need to study for the test, but I would need a little more time to do that.
12 years isn't long enough?
12 años no son tiempo suficiente.
Es que siempre he trabajado y como no, apenas mis patrones me dijeron que agarrar un estudio para ayudarme después más algo.
He said I really only work here recently. My bosses have told me to go back to school and become a citizen so that I could advance at my place of work.
How much do you make in dinero?
Me pagan por día, me pagan
I get paid
300.
daily, 304.
Yeah.
I get paid daily, 304.
304 per hour
No,
$200
or per day?
por día.
Yeah,
per day.
304 per day?
Yeah,
How many-
4 por día.
How many days do you work a
¿Cuántos días
week?
trabajan?
5?
6, a veces 7.
6, 7.
You're working almost every day?
Casi todos los días trabajo.
So you make $305 a day?
So hace $305 al día. Yes.
$235 a day. But he just said $34 a second ago. Something doesn't add up. Either the math's way off, or his income report is suspicious. So, what's going on? Is he badly underpaid or hiding something? What do you think?
Apenas me dieron eso hace como un mes.
So I started making that amount of money about a month ago.
And you work almost every day?
¿Trabajas todos los días? Yes.
A veces, si llueve,
Sometimes
no,
if it rains or
pero ahorita como hay mucho trabajo, sí, trabajo un solo día cuando
there's a lot of work right now, so we work every day.
descansamos más es como de noviembre a febrero.
We said our downtime is November, sometimes February.
Do you know how much money that is annually? A year? Do you know what your income is here?
El año pasado se 64.
The last year we made about 64,000.
1,000. No, that's if you're working 7 days a week, you're making $110,000 a year.
Sí, dile que porque apenas me subieron esa cantidad, pero le pagaban 220.
He said they recently gave me a raise. Prior, it was like
Congratulations, you're still making $110,000 a year. And you don't speak English? And how are you doing on your taxes? Are you paying your taxes?
Sí.
Yes.
Who's taking care of that?
¿Quién hace eso?
If you don't speak English, how do you do that?
voy con una señora que hace taxas y habla español.
I've been with a lady who does taxes and she speaks Spanish.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Does the defendant waive a formal, first of all, interpreter? You have an interpreter here since the defendant primarily speaks Spanish. And what is your name, ma'am? And Ms. Burge, you've translated here in this court before.
I have a judge.
And can you tell us a little bit about your history in Spanish and English fluency?
I've translated in this courtroom and other criminal courtrooms for the past couple of months.
How long have you spoken Spanish?
My whole life.
And English?
My entire life.
Yes.
Judge.
You're bilingual?
I am bilingual
Yes.
fluent.
And you have, the court recognizes this lady and does a fine job. Do you swear and promise that you will properly translate from English to Spanish, the language that the defendant understands, and from Spanish, his answers, to English so that the court reporter and all of us can understand, and the record shall show what he is stating in answers to the questions? Will you do that accurately? So help you God.
Yes, Judge.
Lawyer, thank you. And you are German Salinas.
Señor González. Because you señor González.
Yeah.
Yes.
Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this indictment and arraignment? Can we proceed in summary?
He does, Your Honor, we can. And just for the record, Judge, I use this interpreter to go over the paperwork upon his signing. So,
Mr. Salinas, have you understood all that the interpreter has stated to you? Do you understand what she is stating to you? And if you don't understand, ask her to explain it to you. Is that all right with you?
Yes.
All right. In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about December 3rd, 2020, in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the second-degree felony of sexual assault of a child younger than 17 years of age. Do you understand what you were charged with?
Yes.
This is a second-degree felony, which means you face imprisonment for a term of not more than 20 years or less than 2 years. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand the punishment range you are facing?
Yes.
An agreement has been reached where whatever sentence shall not exceed a cap of 5 years in prison. So you are looking at really two options: confinement in prison for no less than 2 nor more than 5 years imprisonment if I follow this agreement. Also, you could be placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation, which can be up to 10 years in length. Is that your understanding of your options?
Yes.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes.
Also, as part of this agreement, another case 22-39990, which is another sexual assault of a child.
it's the same,
A different date.
this,
Yeah.
same.
That second case will be dismissed as part of this agreement. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes.
How do you plead to this second-degree felony of sexual assault of a child? Guilty or not guilty?
Culpable.
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily and because you are guilty?
Voluntariamente.
Voluntarily.
I show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document? Did you understand it? Discuss it with your attorney? Are the contents all true and correct?
Sí.
Yes.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence.
No objection, states one.
Without an objection, it is admitted. Among other things, this states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea, which is freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You are guilty of the crime charged and any lesser included offenses. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights of the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. You were totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All true, it states, so help you God.
Sí.
State's Exhibit 1 was made a part of the record for all purposes without objection.
No objection.
Pre-sentence report is going to be needed here.
Yes, sir.
We're going to order a pre-sentence report. We will return back on
7.
August 7th, 9 o'clock a.m. and take up the matter of sentencing at this time. You're going to see the probation officer, sir. And begin the pre-sentence report.
May he be excused? Nothing.
Yes.